Welcome to my first ever Bogue, yes, Bogue tutorial. As you can see, I got the robe on, you know, looking fresh, you feel me? So let's just get into it. Family? Ooh, bitch. So first things first, I'm gonna prep the skin, and I'm gonna prep it with this Lancer. Is it Lancer or Lancer?
Call Lancer.
Let me tie my hair, because I'm looking like Dennis the Menace right now. I broke out a little bit.
It's okay, I did too. This is the weather.
I just got off my period. Nothing makeup can't fix.
While she's doing that, I put my SK2 on. Travel size.
I still haven't tried SK2.
SK2 is amazing. SK2 Essence.
I cannot recommend it because I've never used it. So don't listen to Matt Malari. This is the part where I get confused on. I don't know if I should put my Strobe Cream first or my primer. Today I'm going to be using the Sicily primer. This was $192, by the way.
You could have gotten it from me. I could give you a discount on it.
You know, I'm looking at the camera and then there's another mirror behind here and then there's another mirror, so I don't know where to look. So I'm just going to let this primer sit for 2 or 3 minutes. Normally I use my Chinese fan to fan it out, but I don't have my Chinese fan right now. So I'm gonna use this towel. It is okay.
Sorry, I do not think about makeup. I'm a disgrace to gaze.
I'm gonna use my MAC Strobe Cream. This light keeps flickering, I don't know why. Strobe Cream makes my face look moist, honey. Sometimes I don't even need highlight. Like, I don't need that much highlight. And I don't like that much highlight anyway, because
no one wants to look like a fucking Oscar statue.
with highlight you can see your pores. Like, you just start looking really scaly. But it is Vegas, so I might have to brush it on. Next I will be using my foundation, the MAC Studio Fix, which is a little orange right now because it's not summertime. You can see, like, no, it's not a fit. Unfortunately, I will be using Honey Bronze by Estee Lauder. You see how much oranger this one looks? This one looks a little more. I forgot to wet my beauty blender. Okay, so now that I've soaked my dirty beauty blender, Estee Lauder, I will now proceed to caking my face. I feel like our hotel room is haunted, but
Well, hello girls, please fuck me at night.
it is Valentine's Day after all. My face looks orange right now, but it'll come together.
I look great! Yes.
I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer in 10. I feel like my skin is so dry. And then I'm gonna go in with my Custard NARS concealer. But I can't see. I'm trying to look in the big mirror, but I can't see up close and personal. Slightly better. My face is slightly better. Then I'm gonna go in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. That's better. I'm just gonna go in with this pencil and do my thing. Oh, fuck. Anybody have like a perfect brow and then like an annoying brow? I feel like my brows are just no. Huda Beauty powder, sweep it under my eyes, and I like that this doesn't have any flashback. My lips are really dry. And I look okay. Let's stop. Fenty Beauty Mocha Matchstick. We've been eating this whole trip and not working out. So I got the shit out of my double chin. See, it's bringing in dimension. See that? You see that, Mama?
Yes, I do. Do you smell this, Taya? Melalab? What is this brown stuff?
It's contour.
Oh, it's contour. Yes, yes, yes.
It's not brown stuff.
Do you really
dare you? Beat it in. I have a bump like on the side of my nose. I feel like noses are a vital feature where you can like tell what somebody's ethnicity is. A lot of people don't think I'm Indian, but then I'm like, this is a brown nose. One thing I really wanted to change about myself though is my teeth. Matt Malari misses my gaps.
Little gap, little gap.
But I really want to straighten my teeth. But I really wanted to straighten my teeth, so I got Invisaligns, but I still have these two, gosh. And a little right here. And then I'm gonna take the Dior. And I'm gonna take these two colors. Morphe E42 brush, and this is kind of an all over contour brush. It's not as defined, that is the word. You feel me? Okay. Dior as well.
What is that?
Okay, so for a highlight, sometimes I don't use a brush because I just like to. This is a Sephora Pro Highlight brush, and I'm just gonna go in with the same gold. Wow, my battery is low. How? Oh shit. Hi! My camera died, and I don't know how much battery I have left. Now, I don't even feel like I have the time to help me. I was at my highlight. Oh yeah, I was doing highlight. Go. I was doing gold highlight. I really wanted to make a YouTube video, but I don't feel like I'm gonna have time. God, I'm so sorry. I really tried to make this video. So I like to shadow it. See, I look like orange right now, but it's gonna look better. Please don't die on me. You see? Okay. Then I like to go in with my Kim K. KKW, should I say. Lipstick in this is number 4. This is a little too dark for me. Did I bring number 3? I have number 3. I have number 3. This is my KKW number 3 nude, and I just kind of, oh god. NYX brown lip liner. Yes. So I don't think I can do the wing liner look because that's gonna take me a while. Take this black liner and kind of dot it. I just want to kind of smudge it out. Smoke it. I'm gonna take a Morphe brush and just kind of. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. Okay. Exotic Peacock palette. Pinky Rose Cosmetics in the color Honey.
I approve, I approve.
Then I'm gonna do. Should I do a wing liner, Mount Larry? So I just did a wing liner off camera because I don't know how long my battery is gonna last. Then I'm gonna go in with my spray from Tatcha. This is to give it a little more glow.
Smells like hot pot, huh?
That's what I like to hear. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe spray just to set everything, and then I'm gonna go in with my mascara because I don't want to do my mascara first because then it's gonna transfer onto my skin. So I'm running out of breath because I'm speeding up. Morphe spray. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera because again I don't know how much my battery is charging.
It is good, huh? It is good.
Oh God. Let it dry, let it dry. So that basically completes my makeup look. And now I'm just waiting to put on my outfit. Don't know how to do my hair. Put on some hoops. No. Oh yeah, I have to, sorry, bronze my body a little.
Cup of the evening.
Bronze my chest.
Oh my god!
It is okay, we're gonna clean this mess up.
Looks like someone got murdered here.
Just 1 second.
5 minutes later.
Yeah.
This is so
I don't know if I should put my hair down. Should I put it up? Oh yeah, we have to snip this off. So this is the final outfit.
Cute, we love it.
That is it.
The biggest look.
That is it for my Vegas look. That is it for my first Bogue segment, tutorial, video. And I will see you in my next Bogue tutorial. Mom, want to say goodbye?
Bye guys.